Since we are creating our own custom theme, we are free to make use of any type of font which we would like. I'm going to make use of a Google font in this theme, and you can of course choose any others which you prefer. You can either search for Google Fonts, or you can head over to fonts.google.com. Take a look through these and select any which you prefer for the theme. Or you can follow along with the same one as me, which is going to be called Merriweather. So let's do a search for Merriweather, and this is the one we want just here. From the drop down here, we can select which version we want. I'm going to be using a light version, which is light 300. So select this. And then to add this, we can click on the plus symbol just here. This then adds it down at the bottom, and then we can expand this to get some of the information we need to include it into our project. First of all, we can include this style sheet in our project by copying the link just here, and then go over to our index page. Let's close these down. So the index.html, and then we include this just above our custom CSS. So custom font. And then just after this, we can paste this in. Okay, good. Good, we can now go back over to the Google Fonts website, and we can see how to set this as a CSS rule in our custom style sheet. Down at the bottom, we can copy this line here, which is for the font family. And then over in our custom CSS, let's add this in. Let's first grab the body selector and then paste in the font family, which is going to search for Merriweather if it could be found. If not, it will default back to a standard serif. Give this a save, and then back over to the browser. Reload our index page. And in fact, just need to save the index.html. Give that a save. And then reload. And now we see the custom font has taken effect in the browser. And this is all we need to do to include custom Google fonts in our project. And next we'll move on to creating the header section.